Hello, welcome back, friends. We're going to learn another bandha today. This one's called Uddiyana bandha in Sanskrit. I'll refer to it as the belly bandha. We can really only do this one with the outer retention, with the breath exhaled out. It involves taking the abdomen and sucking it in, taking the diaphragm and sucking it up and in. So I'll try to show you my cord out of the way. Try to create a hollow space with the abdomen. You don't have to sit this way. Again, I just like to sit this way for certain bandhas. So just join me in whatever seated position that you want to try today. Let's just spend a minute checking in. Close down the eyes. Drawing the senses inward. Coming to the breath. And pay careful attention to how the breath feels as you draw your awareness up and down the spine. Note if the flow is easy or if it's obstructed. Just watch your sensations while breathing, scanning the body from the top of the head to the base of the spine with every inhale and exhale. Whatever it is, just take notes. There is no judgment. Okay, good. You can open your eyes again. We'll take a deep inhale. We'll exhale all the breath out and then engage the belly bandha, sucking it in. Ready? So let's go. Let's do one round just to kind of clear the system. Deeply in through the belly, chest, and the neck. Exhale. Side out. Let's do another one of those actually. Inhale, belly, chest, neck, and side out. Okay. Inhale again. Deeply in. Exhale all the way out. Straighten the arms and suck in your belly. Inhale when ready. Bring the head up, deeply in. Exhale all the way out. Belly bandha, engage. Allow the breath to come in naturally, breathing in. filling those lungs. Exhale all the way out. All the way out. Hold the breath out. Belly bandha. Breathe in when you need to. Inhale deeply. Let's do 2 more of those. Exhale all the way out. Walk the elbows. Suck in the stomach. Relax, last one, deeply in. Breathing all the way in. Exhale, release. Throwing the breath all the way out. Hold the breath out. Engage belly bandha. Relax. Come back to your normal breathing and close down the eyes. And just watch, observe any changes in your mind, in your body, in your awareness. Observe how your breathing is compared to before. Okay, good. Gently open your eyes. And there you go. That's belly bandha. That's the 3rd of 4. Hope you enjoyed the practice, and you feel free to add belly bandha. And any time where you're doing external breath retention, you can add a bandha to increase potency. Thanks for coming again, for your time and attention, and I will see you here next time.